Alright, so a Symmons shower valve. Not maybe it's the temperature of water we're looking for. We want hot water. Okay? Turn that on. I'm going to take the liberty of removing that, but that's just a simple hex head screw that's holding that in there so you can figure out. If you're going to tackle this, you can figure out how to do that. So, no problem. We're just going to need to pull this off right here. And we're going to get ourselves our driver. Okay. I'm going to pull this sucker off out here. And there's going to be some water pressure behind it, so watch out. Don't stand immediately in front of it. Because of this temperature valve going into it, that's controlling this gauge right here. So, put this inside. So, it's ridiculously simple. This right here is our temperature control valve. And the fine folks over at Symmons have decided not to scald everyone and receive lawsuits. Doesn't take a hell of a lot. I'm gonna turn it twice. 1 and 2. Okay. I'm going to replace. And you'll know you got it in the right spot because you're just going to put your probe right back into the valve. Okay, here we go. Alright, and we're going to return our hardware into the valve body. There we go. And we're going to make that so that looks nice, doesn't it? All right, now we're in the off position. We're just shy of 100 degrees at our last reading. That's certainly exceeding our previous reading was, now is it? Yeah, that feels nice. That is. I think everyone's happy with that. Brilliant. Okay. And of course, just using your hex nut driver, hex head driver. Just return that to its proper place. Put your little plastic thingy back in place there so it looks nice. Why not? You guys can join me on that, can't you? There we are. Brilliant. All right. Best of luck.